Hello students, welcome to the online learning. Today we are going to take the last chapter from English Bahal Bharti, Royakan and the Starfish. Children, it is a beautiful story about a monk and the starfish. It gives us a beautiful moral too. So children, what do you see in this picture? Here is a starfish. Its shape is like a star. It is a fish, so it is called as starfish. And it is an aquatic animal. And here is a monk. उसे हम साधु कह सकते हैं. Monks, they live in hilly regions, mountainous region, and they devote their life completely for religious purposes. So the story about Royakan and the starfish. Royakan was a monk who lived in Japan. The story is from Japan, and he was a monk who lived there. He was a well-known teacher and a poet and a calligrapher. Now what is calligraphy? Here you can see an example of calligraphy. What we write is an ordinary handwriting, but if we write it in a different way, that is called as calligraphy. You must have seen such calligraphy written on invitation cards. So he was a teacher, poet and a calligrapher. One day he was walking on the beach and he saw that hundreds of starfish had been washed ashore in a storm. A storm had brought hundreds of many starfish on the ashore. यानी कि क्या, बीच पे बहुत सारे starfish पड़े हुए थे. The storm had blown over and the starfish were dying in the hot sun. Now the storm was already over, blown over, and so what, because of the heat of the sun, the starfish were dying. Then what Royakan did, he began to pick up the starfish one by one. He threw them back in the sea. He started picking up them and started throwing them into the sea, because fish cannot live on land. They are aquatic animals, they live in water. What's the use, said his disciple who was watching Royakan. There are hundreds of starfish dying. Throwing back a few of them will not make any difference. What he says, that what is the use of throwing few starfish back to the sea? His disciple means what? See, teacher and you can say student is related. In the same way, a monk has disciples, those who live with them and learn along with staying with their teacher, that is a disciple. So he was watching Royakan doing it, and so he said that what is the use of throwing a few starfish back to the sea, because here there are hundreds of them lying, so what difference will it make? Royakan picked up another fish. It will make a difference to this little fish, said Royakan, throwing the fish back to the sea. So what he said, that it will make the difference for this one little fish. It will make a difference. At least this can live. We cannot save everyone, but at least this one can live, so it is going to make a big difference for this. So he said, so he wanted to tell him that in such a way that at least he can help a few to survive. So what is the moral of this story? When help is needed, it is important to give whatever help you can give. So when someone needs the help, you should not think it is less small, in help in a small manner or a big way, but you can do the part, you can play your part there. You can relate it this way also. See, in the schools also, at your home also, your parents tell that don't throw rubbish on the road, plastic bags or wrappers of the this food eatables which we eat, like chocolates, chips and all these things, or water bottles. Use and throw water bottles are there. So what we should do, it is said that don't throw it on the road. And many times it is written also that don't throw such things on the uh, so what some people say, that what change will it make if I don't throw it, if I throw it in the dustbin, what change it will make? But if we do it, if we practice it, just think that how clean our surrounding will be. So if one does it, one follows it, what will happen? he will follow it for himself. The other person will even watch him and he will also obey it. And so in such a way our surrounding will be clean. So don't think that the help which you do, you can also play a great part in keeping the surrounding clean. So whenever some calamities are also there, see, we are asked to help. So in that way also, what a help in a small way, the help which we do may make a big difference for a person who has suffered in the calamity. So children, a beautiful lesson. Read the lesson at home. Now children, the notes reading of the lesson. First question is meanings. Calligraphy is someone who knows the art of fine handwriting. Ashore, on the shore. Monk, a man belonging to a religious community. Question 2. Answer the following. Who was Royken? Where did he live? Royken was a monk, well-known teacher, a poet and a calligrapher. He lived in Japan. What did Royken see on the shore? Royken saw hundreds of starfish washed ashore in the storm. What did Royken do? He picked up the starfish one by one and threw them back in the sea. Who was watching Royken? His disciple was watching Royken. What do we learn from the lesson Royken and the starfish? We learn that when help is needed, it is important to give whatever help you can give. Question 3. Fill in the blanks. Royken was a monk who lived in Japan. Japan is the word to be written. The dash had blown over the starfish and were drying in the hot sun. Storm. Royken began to pick up the dash one by one. Answer is starfish. So children, write the notes in your notebook with good handwriting. Thank you.